Hey tubers, welcome to a WCW video, and this time we're taking you back to the good old days, and we're going to do a package break. Now, like everyone, I have certain cards I'm looking for, but I'm not looking specifically for, what everyone else is looking for. Now, these are WCW 1991 Imperial cards. Now, these are the cards I'm looking for. Any Arn Anderson card for me. Now, Ric Flair or Sting cards would be okay. Those are something I'd be looking for me. Dutch Martel 90 card 76 for Jeremy's Memphis collection. Dutch Mantel 81 for Jeremy. Tommy Rich, any card, that would be for Jeremy as well. Ricky Morton, any card, that would be for me. Steiner Brothers, any card, that would be for me as well. Fabulous Freebirds, that would be gold right there. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the Freebirds, so any card I get of them would be good for me. Teddy Long, that would be another one for me. Doom, Jim Ross, or Terry Taylor also would be ones I would like to get. So, without any further ado, let's break the pack. All right. So, right off the bat, we got the Fabulous Freebirds. So that is a win right there, folks. Jimmy Jam Garvin and Michael P.S. Hayes. So right off the top, we got one of the ones I was looking for. Let's see here. I'm pretty close to one of the ones I was looking for. We got a Dutch Mantel for Jeremy. The man called Sting. The man called Sting. Meet your doom. I'm probably going to show you the backs of these cards. Have any of the backs of these cards? Sid Vicious. All right. We got a Ricky Morton. One half of the Rock and Roll Express right there. Steinerized. We got the Steiner Brothers, both on the back, but just the man who would become Big Papa Pump, which sounds like a name for a movie. Flying Brian Pillman. El Gigante. Doom. Another Flying Brian. So the action shot. And to round it all off, all right. We got the Enforcer himself, Mr. Arn Anderson. Nice. A pretty good stack of cards. A bunch of the ones I was looking for, so that's a pretty good deal. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me get my hands on another pack and maybe open some more in the future. That's a pretty good set right there for me. Alright, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon if you're new. I hope you enjoyed this pack break. Until next time, this is the American Samurai saying stay tuned for more WCW content coming in the future. Because next we're going to be looking at a WCW event. Which one? To quote Doctor Who, or as I say, a song, spoilers, you have to watch and find out.